Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove watermark from TikTok videos. So first, get the link to the TikTok you want to download. Once the app is open, tap the share icon on the TikTok you want to download. It usually looks like a curved arrow. Then tap copy link. Then find a third-party app or website that offers to remove watermarks. There are plenty of options online and in your app store. Some include Mobile, a PowerSoft watermark remover, or Snaptic. But I will use Snaptic. These are options that you can download an app for or use online. You can choose. Open the app or go to the website to get your video without the watermark. Paste the link in the app or on the website. The wording will change depending on the service you're using, but it will say something like, "Enter the TikTok video link here." And then download or save the video. If you're using an app or website, you can save it as soon as it's done processing. Watch the video from your photo gallery to make sure the watermark is gone. Another option is using a video editing tool. Then, cropping with the built-in video editor. In any video editor app, you can blur sections of your video so you can blur the watermark. With an app like Video Eraser, select the area around the watermark and it will be removed. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.